Hi everyone, my name is Atesh Kumar. I am a student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. And today my topic name is how can improve our education system. And we need regular and punctual, well-trained and convenient teachers. And we need update, latest, not outdated and old syllabus. And with the examination system, it should be free and for copy culture and cheating or the unfair means. And we need multimedia projectors for learning, and teachers are modeling pedagogic and methodologic for teaching, and school buildings are should have properly facilities, for example a pure drinking water and washrooms and a playground etc. And we need library to read books, and to laboratory scientific laboratory to experiment to during experiment. And we need computer laboratory and air classrooms, and we need outdoor games, for example cricket, hockey, and table tennis, and indoor games such as like that dice, cards, chess, carom. This is called indoor games. And playground is where are different games for playing is very necessary for sport activities, and that these the most discipline for the in schools. Thanks.